No more forgetting your ASMR redeems. This widget is perfect for ASMR artists who always lose track of what trigger request they're supposed to do next. And the best part is, mods can use it too. You and your mods will be able to add and remove items from the list right from your Twitch chat box. Here's a quick little tutorial video to help you set it up. First, let's look at how it works with the Twitch chat. There are 4 main commands to use. The first one is /add. You can use this command to add things to the list. The next is /done, which you can use to remove items from the list, like so. Then you can use the all keyword to mark all of the items as complete. And finally, you can reset the list with /reset. After downloading the widget from Sayonani's shop, you can open it directly on Stream Elements. If you click on the layers section here, you'll see that there are actually 3 different items in it. For this tutorial, you will only need to use the streamer task list. The timer might be nice to have, so you're welcome to keep that. So since I prefer to have my mods and myself access the list, I removed chat task list. Once you're left with just the streamer task list, you can click on settings and customize it as you see fit. The first category is task settings. So here you can set your title. Mine is ASMR request list. And I have my completed tasks hidden because I didn't want to clutter the screen too much. The rest of these are pretty self-explanatory. You can set how many tasks appear on the list before it starts scrolling automatically. You can also change the font sizes for the title and the tasks. The next category is commands. And since many bots already use the exclamation point prefix, I set mine to a /. I also added some aliases, so here I have A for add, D for complete, R for hide or remove, and C for reset. This way, when adding or removing redeems from the list, we don't have to type out the entire word and we can just use a 1-letter alias. The next category is permissions. Here I have my list set so that only myself and my moderators will be able to edit it. You can add other roles such as subscribers or VIPs if you want them to also have edit access. And then we have colors. I would say just play around with these until everything looks just the way you like. You can have it match your overlay almost exactly, because every single element is customizable down to the transparency. There's also a really cute progress bar that has a gradient. The rest of these categories don't really affect the functionality of the list, so we will just leave them as is. One very important thing to keep in mind is you can only mark your own items as done. Let me explain using this example here. We have a list of 5 items. The first 2 added by Inanna, the third added by a mod, the fourth added by Inanna again, and the last one added by a mod. If a mod tries to use /done1, it would not remove example 1. It would remove example 3 because that would be the first list item they added. Only Inanna can remove example 1 with the /done1 command. Similarly, if I finish up with example 1 and 2, I cannot remove example 3. Only the mod who added it to the list will be able to. And that's the end of my tutorial. Isn't this widget super cool? I hope you all find it useful. Thank you so much, Sayonani, for making this super awesome tool. Mwah, mwah, mwah.